Okay. Most welcome.
Yes,
Okay.
Patil sir.
Okay.
Rabbani sir.
Shall I start?
Yeah, sir. You can
Yes.
start.
Now
Okay.
you will
Yeah,
start.
yeah.
Now, very good evening.
With good luck.
Very chilly and very cool. Good evening to both of you, Mr. Patil sir from India and Shobnam Mr. from Bangladesh. So pleasure to have this session number 6. And today we are going to just see the SDG number 4, that is the quality educations. But before going to continue that quality education, so life in your hometown, so your religion. So as you know that I am belong to the Muslim community, I am a Muslim and a Mohammedan. My name is Sheikh Rabbani Ashik Ali, and the life in my hometown is we have very mixed people lived in my town, that is in Manmad. So different caste of people are living together: Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Christian, the Jainism, again the Buddhist people, and there are other subcaste of other religion. So your culture. Now in the afternoon session also, I have a little bit discussion with Shobnam that the culture is very superb and magnificent and very fine in India. So we people really love the culture. The culture of India is a very decent culture. It is a very ancient culture. Nowadays we are living in a society in which success is measured in a material accomplishment. But even though this is the point, but the culture belongs to India, you will find no other culture in the world as the culture of India. So I really feel very proud to be an Indian. And then after that, I really feel proud to be a Maharashtrian. Me and me Maza Maharashtra. And I really feel very proud of my town, that is Manmad. Manmad is a co-culture, mixed people, all the caste of peoples are living together. We have the name of my town is happened with a disease occurred in ancient time, as the ancestor and my predecessors told me that in Manmad there are one disease occurred that is called Manmuri in Marathi. So lots of people were died due to this disease, that is Manmuri, and everybody says that Manmuri, that is Manmad. But when you go to the spelling of alphabet of Manmad in English, you will find that that is a man mad. This is actually the not a man mad. It's a man mad. There's a man also in Marathi. We will say that hard. Everybody, both of you listening me?
Yes.
Patil sir?
Yes, sir.
Shobnam,
Yes, sir.
are you listening?
Yes. I just
Yeah, okay.
Manmad.
So, Shobnam, I live in Manmad. So I have just given you the, that means here today, I just want to give you a compliment today. You are looking so beautiful and absolutely gorgeous, Shobnam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you
Yeah,
very much.
yeah. Now, the name of my town is Manmad, Manmad. You can go through the alphabet. You will see that man, man, and mad. That is not a man mad. It's not a man mad. Man also called, that is to heart in Marathi. In our heart, that is in Marathi, it is say that man. Have you watched the movie Man of Amir Khan? Shobnam?
No, sir. No, sir.
It's a Bollywood, Bollywood actor Amir Khan?
Yes.
You
Bollywood
know- yeah?
examination I like.
Amir Khan.
But
So,
I am not watching
Yeah.
what movie?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Mera
and there was a actress. Its name, her name is Manisha Koirala.
Manisha.
She's
Nepal.
she is the daughter of Prime Minister of Nepal.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, definitely. Sir, another point is that talk about your culture. Now, the culture is mixed culture in Manmad. As I belong to Maharashtra, there are so many different types of peoples are living in Manmad. Our Manmad is very special. In 1992, a riot has happened in Manmad, but in India, due to the demolition of Babri Masjid. But Manmad, you didn't find any kind of cases. The people of Manmad are so genius, so humble, so kind, and they are the true lover of non-violence. So each and every part in India gets fire on demolition of Babri Masjid, but the Manmad shows the example of non-violence.
इधर आहे मला माझं
And
charger दे.
tradition of your religion, now region. Now the tradition is that we don't have, that means lots of hills are together. Our town shows lots of hill. The beauty of Manmad is that only we have FCI, Food Corporation of India. It's the biggest part. That we have junction, railway junction is in Manmad. Another point that is that Gurudwara of Sikh people. It stand third of Manmad after Golden Temple of Amritsar #1, then Nanded Temple, and then after it appears third Manmad Gurudwara. So this is the tradition of our region, and all the peoples are celebrating different kinds of different types of different caste people celebrate their religion. As Muslim we celebrate the Eid, as the Hindu people they celebrate the festival Dashera and Deepavali, and others also Buddhist people also celebrating the 14th of April as an the birth anniversary of the respected person Mr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So this is the tradition. Each and every people are mixing and mingling together. They go each other to their home while celebrating the different types of traditions in our area. So what do you think that your partner could enjoy from your region? Yeah, definitely. If I get a chance, Shobnam, are you listening me?
Yes, yes, sir. I listen.
Yeah, yes,
So,
sir.
yeah. Mr. Padil sir and Mr. Shobnam, I just
Yeah.
want to invite you once again in the afternoon. Also, I invite already Shobnam to please do come to India and do come to Maharashtra and do come to my place. But today, the question is that what do you think that your partner traditionally would enjoy from your region? Yes, definitely. If you came to Manmad, Patil sir, and you also, Shobnam, you really enjoy. Definitely, inshallah, you will going to enjoy the region because the beauty of Manmad, you can't run away from the beauty of Manmad. We have lots of good people here. There are so many things to watch. Near it is the temple of Baba Sai Baba. Lots of that peoples are coming all across from the world as well as from the India. This is a very beauty. We have so many dams are near in Manmad, and so many big traditions like that. FCI Food Corporation of India Railway Junction. So many things are here. So definitely you will going to love it. You will going to enjoy it when you do come to my place. So what would he not if he came to your city? Yeah, the one biggest problem of my town is always that is the problem of what we call water, that drinking water, and also the using of water, because the condition of water in Manmad is very worst. As I know that Marathwada in Maharashtra suffering from the drought areas, that lots of drought area in Marathwada also, in Vidarbh area also. But Manmad faces 52 days we don't have drinking water from our top. That was the last 2 or 3 years ago in Manmad, and we the people of Manmad are really very that means suffering from this disease. What I just used to call disease because no corporator, no nagar sevak, and no politicians came forward. They came forward for their own sake, but they didn't came forward to solve the problem. You know, if they solve the problem, then to whom they are going to beg their vote. That is the big problem for them. That's why they are not solving the problem of Manmad. And this problem is happening from Dr. Madhavrao Gaikwad, the Communist Party of MLA of Manmad, and he was a very ex-person of Manmad, and is used to solve the problem, but nobody people came forward after that. So we are suffering, we are lacking, and due to that water problem. So this is the only point I didn't want to came. If you came to Manmad, you will definitely found this problem. But we are now, due to Allah, from 2 or 3 years, there are so many good rainy season is there. The rainy season is also going around. Lots of rain is here. So due to that, we are just overcoming this problem. So where would you take him and why? If my partner came to my place, Mr. Patil, Honorable Mr. Patil sir and Shobnam, if you do come here, I would like to take you to Sai Baba temple near Sirdi. Then I would like to take you to the another important part of my town, that is the Ankai Killa, that is the Agasti Killa. It is the Rushi Agasti of Ramayana. That is Sadhu. He belongs to the Ramayana. Came here in Agastipad, and the pious character, the god of the Hindu, that is Rama, He also came in that Ankai Killa. His footsteps is also there. It's a very good area there. And apart from that, that Agasti Killa, that Agasti Fort, near there is a Dargah of Baba Hazrat. It's a very good combination of Hindu Muslim. So though lots of peoples are coming there, I would like to take you to there. And as well as that coming from the tradition also, we have so many good areas near Manmad. FCI, the Food Corporation of India, is one of the biggest food corporation of India in Maharashtra, in Manmad. And Manmad is also famous for the Gurudwara. He stood third in the India. So I would like to show you all these things when you do come to my town. So where would you not take him, and why not? I don't want to take you to the area where that is the drought areas, lots of drought area near my town. I don't want to take you to there. And another places where people are not respecting another people, and where the peoples are not that is giving respect to the others people, the other caste people. They are very rigid and very stubborn people. So I don't want to take you to there. That is my point. Inshallah, when you came there, I will take you and I will ask you one question to Shobnam and to you, Mr. Padil sir. So I ask you when you came here now, so I will ask you, sir, where you want to come with me? I will ask you. If you insist, sir, I want to go there, so I will take you there. That is the only point. Now,
Thank you.
now the coming coming to the next point, that is the about the quality education, objective targets and indicators, and already the current situation. Now, what is the fundamental about for educations and in our country? Example, RT and 2009 again, and the correct status now, current status of quality education in our country. This is a very important topic, as you know that we are a teacher, and this problem is really facing from top to bottom, from KG to PG. In Manmad also, in Maharashtra, in India, all over the world, globalization about the quality education. Now, what is exactly the quality education is? Quality educations really stand very firm. It really gives and boosted the students in their mind that they should come up with the flying colors if you have the quality education. Now, how many institutions in India or in apart from the world really gave the quality educations to their children? It's a really big questions. It's an yajna prashna, as we say that. How many institutions in India or apart from India, in Maharashtra or in district of Nasik, quality educations means what? Now it's a cream of the society. But we have seen so many institutions in our area. They only provide the education. They only give the what we call marks oriented result. But what about the student? What about their future? What about their career? No one think about that. Quality education is one of the big aspect of the education system. And now what I feel is my personal view. Nowadays in India, it is lacking and it's far away. Only people are talking about quality education, but no one going to implement this point, because we have to work very hard. If we talk about the quality education, so we have to be first, leading from first. We have to implement in our institution, in our school, in our classes, in our education. Now you can better understand what is the condition of our education system nowadays. As you know that we are suffering from 2 years that pandemic situation all over the world, not in India or Bangladesh, all over the world, we are suffering that the education system is going on only on online now. So this is the only thing that we can survive. Nothing, something is always better than nothing. So in the same way, we can say that. So, but talking about quality education, no one, that means this time also we have to give the result, as our Maharashtra government declared that we have to pass out all the SSC and HSC students this year also due to the COVID-19. Same is the condition. I think I don't know whether what is the condition. Shobhan will talk it on later. So
Same
about
to my
Bangladesh,
country.
what was that means same. They were sailing in the same boat now. So in our country, 10th standard and 12th standards, the board examination has been postponed due to the pandemic situation. So we can understand how important the quality education is. So how can we give quality education by online? We are just, I'm not blaming to any institute or anything because nowadays due to the online education, we survive because this is the only point that we can talk to each other and we can have conversation with others people also, the student also. This is the only means and mediums of communication nowadays, that is called the online education. Now Maharashtra government as well as the Indian government or all over the world, the globalization, they should sorry, think about
Okay, it's okay, sir.
they should think about the quality education. And not only they are just they have to talk, they have to implement from the top to the bottom, from KG to PG, from the pre-primary to PG also. They will implement the quality education, then and then only India will come up with the flying colors and the students and everything will going to be a change. We know very well, speaking honestly, being a teacher, what quality we teachers give to our student. Each and everyone should put their hands on their heart and ask honestly, humbly, kindly, generously to ourselves that are we really giving the quality educations to our student? The answer will come up. Those who are doing their hard work, perseverance, dedications to their student, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about majority. Majority always wins minority. So majority in all over the India is very different as we are talking about the education system. Now, this education system, we are personally, I'm just talking about it's my personal view. I'm not an educationalist, but it is my personal view that the system should change because nowadays we can understand that till 8th standard, the government and decided to pass out the student. The sincerity is vanished from the mind of the student. They are not respecting teachers. The teacher system, education system should be oriented but child oriented. Now, how our father and forefather have been learning with their gurus, that system is one of the best system. What I think so. Chadi lage chamcham vidya ekam kam. But I am not in favor of that is beating to the student. I am not in favor. I haven't beat. I haven't slapped a single student in my class, sir. I am working as an assistant teacher for long
Great, sir.
years now. So if you get a pleasure to come with me to come to my school in inshallah in future, Patil sir, you have an opportunity because you are living in just near to my district, Jalgaon district.
Yeah.
You had chance to come. Inshallah, whenever you get a chance, if you came now, so you will see from your naked eye that what is the
Okay.
condition of my school, and you can see the status of my in front of my student because I am a dedicated and perseverant student. I used to work very hard in front of my student, and even though I am a very hard worker, I also that means expect from my students. So they should really work hard. But nowadays, what had happened? Our institution has brought out 10th standard center in our college and 12th standard center in our college, and you can understand better. Patil sir, I don't want to give the clarification. What is the condition of now that state which we have the board 10th standard and 12th standard in our colleges now? How we manage? It's a very that means
Yeah.
you can imagine. I don't want to.
Okay. We don't want to expose it. Yeah. We don't want to expose it.
I don't want to expose that. That means you can better understand because we are sailing in the same boat. So such is the conditions, sir, and all the education ministers should look over because it is not only the problem of our child, it is the problem of our mother. That is the India. That is the country of our mother. It's a problem of our country, and quality education only can survive this country or not in the country, all the world. It's my personal view. So we should always, being a teacher, we should always looking forward that how can we implement. As I mentioned to my colleague also, my headmaster, that we should keep that means in each and every class that Zoom cameras, you know very well that. So CCTV camera. but they are not. That means they are not agree with this point, because they everybody will came up now that what they are doing in their class, and those who are really working very hard can see with their naked eyes now. So it would be going to be good for the headmaster, for the management, that how many teachers are really working very hard in the class, and what would be the result. But they are not in favor of CCTV, so they oppose my idea. And I am, because I am not that means not a single lecture I have wasted in my 16-year career. I didn't have that means I can't imagine my lecture is going all around and I am sitting in the class, or I am working here and there in the corridor. No, I'm not a single lecture. So I really feel very proud to my Allah that He has given me an opportunity to serve for the children of each and every caste, that I really work hard, and my rozi and my that halal, I really do my all the income sources really halal. Whatever the others are doing, I don't want
Every
to
teacher, sir.
talk about it. Yeah. I don't want to talk about the others, what they are doing. If they are doing good, Allah will really watching from, because this CCTV is not important. Allah's CCTV is very much important. Now Allah is also
sir.
watching. They are watching what we are doing now
Yeah.
to our children,
Yeah.
our student. So they will, as you sow, so will you reap. So this is the only point, and I just want to mention, clarify that our system, our education system, our education officer, our education minister, not only look forward to this point, they should, or not only they should talk, they should implement quality education. And this is the only point. I should stop here, and I think I have that is complete my my part. I request
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Patil, humbly request to Mr. Patil and Shobnam. So please
Okay.
carry on. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Sir.
we
Okay,
go to the
great, sir.
Patil, sir. We go to
Thank
Patil.
you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, thanks for giving me such kinds of golden opportunity to share my regions. Ma'am, the first thing is about the regions. Uh, According to the regions, or in the view of the regions, we are the neighborhood, sir. We are the
Yeah,
neighborhood according to the region. Because
Bangladesh.
my,
Yeah.
yeah. Ma'am, for the timeline of country, you are the neighborhood. Ma'am is a neighborhood of both. And according to the region or the state or the points area, that Rabbani sir and me, we are the neighborhood.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because where
Yeah,
my
district,
district is,
Different
region.
district.
Yeah.
Yes. Different
yeah,
district,
Yeah.
but near
yeah,
district. I think.
yeah,
Shabnam
near
also
the
getting
district.
very nicely. Shabnam, you are
Yeah.
understanding now. I really feel very happy that now you are getting in
Yeah,
touch with us now. So you are
yeah.
very active now. Shabnam is very active now.
Yeah. Ma'am is also active. Okay. Haha.
Shabnam, you can
There.
remember your first session, how you are now, and how active you are now in sixth session.
Yeah.
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 Haha.
Please carry on,
So,
sir. Sorry to disturb.
my district name is Jalgaon, and I am
Yeah.
living in a district place Jalgaon. Jalgaon. The meaning of the Jalgaon is Jal means water, the
We are
village
lacking.
of water. Yeah. You
We
are
are
the lucky
we
one.
are lacking.
But you are, yeah, but you are living in a near Godavari river.
Yeah.
You
But
are
no
living
use of
in
that.
yeah. Ma'am, uh,
Oh, okay, please carry on.
40 kilometers away, the biggest river of our state, Godavari, is flowing in the near of Rabbani sir's
House.
taluka.
Nandgaon
But
Taluka.
he didn't get, Nandgaon taluka, but he didn't get the water. And
Yeah.
about the water, my district name is the name of the water. It's the village of the
Jalgaon.
water. That is Jalgaon.
Jal
Manmar
means
and
water.
Jil.
Yeah.
Manmar and
Jalgaon.
Ji.
Jal means water. Gaon means village. Gaon means. In our Jalgaon city, Raved, our city is also called that the city of banana. Madam, our city is also known as the city of banana and gold.
gold.
Can you hear me, ma'am? Yeah. We are living the city of banana and gold. The purest gold uh, is selling in my district.
24
and it's a
carats
well
pure.
known. Yeah, 24 carats pure gold.
Yes.
We have a 4 shops of pure gold in our city. So that's why it's called it the city of gold and city of banana. Banana, the pure quality of banana is
Sir,
in a
sir,
Jalgaon district.
can you see
Yeah, yeah.
any picture? Any picture?
The picture I didn't prepare on the laptop. I just prepare on mobile, but I will send you personally on WhatsApp.
Okay, okay,
Uh,
okay, sir.
the uh, the shop of the gold.
Do
Rajmal
do
RL.
s- do also send to me, sir, please.
Yeah. And Pune Gadgir. Pune Gadgir is also opening in a Jalgaon city. Uh, RL gold is the purest gold in a Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, it's a pure gold. 24 carats gold is available in our city. That is the main quality of our city. But as compared the city of gold, our city is not developed as like as gold, ma'am. So we have a little bit, we have a little bit problems of the roads, some kinds of constructions. We have a problems. Though the city is called the city of water, but plenty of water is not available. After 2 days, the pure water come in our area also, in the district also. Near the district, there are some villages, but they are also lacking of the drinking waters because the most of the waters comes, mean they are supplied to the city as well as some companies and some factories also. In a city, the well-known factory Jain Irrigation. Jain Irrigations is a well-known in the world. The Jain pipe and Supreme pipes. The plumbing pipes in a home, that is the Supreme and Jain pipe is a well-known. It's a reputed pipes company is in our city. About the culture of the Jalgaon city, all kinds of peoples living in a Jalgaon. All kinds of religions people also live in there. There's a Hindu, Islamic,
Yes.
Buddhist, Jain, all kinds of, and the Sikhs. The very rare the peoples of Sikh live in a Jalgaon city. But Sindhi and Marwadi, the most of the peoples we call that they are the economically they are powerful.
Wow.
They are ruling over the middle class. And the Sindhi community, they have a monopoly for the business and markets. In our city, there are plenty of markets, just like a Phule market, Golani market, Kelkar market, and then we have a Vikam Jain market. Suresh Jain, the person name is Suresh Jain, who developed our city, uh, uh, developed our city. Suresh Jain,
Wow,
Suresh
Rapani
Dada,
sir.
we call it that. And we have a skyscraper. We have a skyscraper that is a
My
municipal
son,
office.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice
Yes.
to
sorry to
meet
disturb
you.
you,
Hello.
Patil. Sorry.
No, no,
Hi,
no, no, no.
Baba. Nice
It's
to meet
not
you.
a sorry. It's a pleasure.
Uh, no. It's my is
Yeah,
very
yeah.
enthusiastic, Mister. The name my son is Mohammed Daniel.
Oh,
Daniel.
Mohammed
Daniel.
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 Yeah.
Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah,
Daniel.
Wow.
Daniel.
Say bye. Hi. Okay.
Hi, hi,
ठीक है
hi.
बाजी बाजी. Okay.
Hello,
चलो.
Bachchu. Uh,
हाँ.
so,
Please, sir.
that is the story about that. How the Jalgaon is developed. Jalgaon it was a village, but to compare or to fight with the American society for that purpose, British government developed the Jalgaon city. That is the history of the city.
क्या
Sir, do
बात
you
है
know
मेरे को
about
पता ही
it?
नहीं था. No. I
No,
just came to know. I just came to know.
sir,
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. Yeah.
sir. In the historical period, Dharamgaon
Yeah.
was a district. Dharamgaon was a
Okay.
district, and Jalgaon
Uh,
is a just kind of village. But
yeah.
after
Hmm.
coming the British and the British
मैं बाहर
developed
जाता
the
हूँ.
Jalgaon city and the
Yeah.
Dharamgaon, it's known for the cotton factory.
Oh, cotton.
So they developed their cotton factory, Dharangaon. Now it's become the taluka. In the British period, it was a district. Now that's
Okay,
become
okay.
the taluka, and Jalgaon was a village. When in the British period, the village become the district. That is the story of the Jalgaon. Just like the other city, we have also problems. We are also suffering the some problems, but we don't want to share such a problems because whenever the problems come, we are the peoples are the responsible to solve the problem. If you come visit there, I will show you the Gandhi Udyan, Bahu Garden, and Mehroon Lake, the world famous Mehroon Lake, Kantai, and the North Maharashtra University is developed in a Jalgaon city. That is also eyesight of the Jalgaon. Then ice on the cakes. We have the lots of market to visit there. You can enjoy the Jalgaon city for the market places also. From the rural area of the Jalgaon, all the people come for their basta or the village or the marriage ceremony. They come to the basta. The
Pardon me,
lassi.
sir. I think Jalgaon is also famous for the business purpose and for the
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
spices
yeah.
also, chili
Yeah, yeah.
spices especially.
Yeah, chili spices. It's
Mm.
also famous. But in a Jalgaon, the Prabhat soda, it was a famous for the lassi. It was yeah, lassi. The Prabhat lassi is well famous in a district, and especially the one thing that we called it that the soda. The soda also famous in
Oh,
Jalgaon. The
okay,
other
okay.
people come to the because on the highway there was a shop, Delhi Agra highway, near the corner. There was a Prabhat soda, and some people though know about the taste of the soda, they just take the taste of the soda from that restaurant. That is about the city. Now we come to the next sessions. That is the quality education. Already Rabbani sir very well explained about the quality of education. But he should add 2 points about. The very first point he should be add there about the quality education. Quality education provide the foundation for the equality in society. That is the main purpose of the education, and we call it
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
that
yeah,
is the quality of education. The every
yeah.
human has a right.
Mm.
Every human has a right to get the education according to our
Yeah.
constitution, and the same things about the Bangladesh constitution. Every people have
Mm.
to right to get the education. But which kind of
Mm.
educations? The all kind of educations are the quality, or the education is based on the quality. Where there is a quality, there is the education, and where is the education, there should be. We have to maintain the quality. It's a depend on the giver how the giver give the quality education to the students or the pupil, and that is also same things or the same responsibility of the students and our pupils. They have to also get the proper education from their masters. The quality education is not a one way, it came from the both way. If we say that if we want to provide a quality, the quality should be come from it. So the quality should be maintained. And especially the one thing is that the teacher, about the teacher. The teacher is the mirror of the society, and the students is the mirror of the teacher also, according to my observations. Teacher, teacher show the mirror to the students, and
Yes,
the
yes.
students are the mirror of the teacher. If the teacher give the good things to the students or the quality based education, their students came from the same quality, but sometime or the by hook or by crook, there are so many problems the people or the sorry the pupils and the students face in their teenagers life. They have some economical problems. They have some kinds of family problems. So apart from it, they should get the proper education, and the teacher should also provide the quality education. Quality education is not mean the formal education. The teacher should also provide the informal education, because the aim of the education to develop the personality of the student. The student should be personally develop itself. Means we have to just shine their personality. Already teachers, already the students are the intelligent. The teacher should just polish it, means give the quality, and our student would be one day they will shine like the sun. That is the my point of view. I think that our students should be shine like a sun. So I am doing for it. I am preparing for it. I just do my best for my students. So that is my part about the quality education. We have to provide equality in society through the education. That is called the real quality base of education. Thank you, Rabbani sir. Thank you, madam.
Thank
You
you.
have to listen my
Nice to hear you, sir. Nice to hear you, and I really feel very happy that I today I also get one information, knowledge about the Jalgaon city. That is the history I didn't know, so I came to know from you. Thanks of lot. Thank you very much, and very nice presentation, sir. Thank you
okay.
very much.
Very nice, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you,
Sir,
madam. Thank you.
Rabbani sir, Patil sir,
Yeah.
our 40 minutes is
Yeah.
over now. We
Huh.
get
Okay.
1 minute.
We will.
We will join again.
Okay. We
What
will
will-
rejoin it.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, Patil sir, your presentation is very nice. I get a very
Madam.
idea in Maharashtra in your district, and Rabbani sir
Thank
presentation
you, madam.
is too much very excellent. They
Thank you,
provide
ma'am.
many things, and I hope that I will visit Patil sir and Rabbani sir. I hope that.
But I am not a
Yeah.
techno savvy teacher
You are
like you.
most.
As you are so smart, Shobnam, in
Yeah.
presentation, because you are being a teacher of
Yeah.
ICT. I am not a techno savvy teacher. So
Okay,
please
sir.
teach me
Yeah. Yeah.
how to make a presentation. Shobnam, it is your duty now to
Okay,
teach me
sir.
how to
Okay, sir.
present the presentation.
You get me
Okay,
a
okay.
time in
Okay.
Zoom,
Yeah,
then I will
inshallah.
teach you how we can
Okay, okay, ma'am.
make a
Okay.
presentation in PowerPoint.
Ah, yes, Shobna, what had happened now?
Okay.
Being a mentor, being a presenter, being a RP in our training session, I used to give a lot.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. Okay,
Okay.
sir, can I share my yeah.
You are audible for us.
Yeah, start, please, Shobnam. You can start.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay.
I can share my screen. Can you?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Welcome.
Today's session, welcome to our sixth session. Bangladesh and India collaboration session.
Bongo Bando Mujibur Rahman.
Yes. Today's our sixth session.
Yeah, yeah. I really like that sound. Please repeat it again. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Please.
Yes. I get 40 minutes.
No, you start and
Yeah,
say
yeah,
like
yeah.
that.
Yes.
Bongo. What that? Please, I want to listen to
Bongo
that
Bondhu
sound.
Sheikh Mujibur Rahman.
Yeah,
Okay.
Bongo Bando.
National Bongo
Next.
Bondhu. Bongo
Bongo
Bondhu.
Bandhu.
Bondhu.
Acha. Bongo Bandhu.
Bondhu.
Acha.
Mujibil.
Mujibur Rahman. Huh.
Mujibil.
Sheikh Mujibur Rahman.
Mujibur Rahman.
Rahman.
Mujibur Rahman. Okay. Please carry on.
Yes, sir. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Today our sixth session. First one, life in your hometown and your region, and second one about quality education. First one I discuss. Talk about your culture, sir. First one, this is map. Second one in Bangladesh map, and this is. Can you see my cursor, sir?
Yeah.
Cursor? Yes. Cursor.
Yeah.
Yes. This is
Yeah.
Borishal division.
In a Barison.
This is Borishal division.
It's a Barisal or Borisal?
Yes, sir.
It's a
It's a Barisal. It's a Barisal.
Yes, Borishal.
Yeah. It's a Barisal. Okay.
Borishal. Other
High level.
district is Jalokati, Pirozpur, Bhola,
Uh,
Potuakhali, and Borguna. There is
Okay,
a
okay.
district and division is Borishal.
Okay.
Yes. I
Nice
live in
preparation.
Borishal. I live in Borishal district.
Okay.
Sir, background in Borishal, Bangladesh. In 1947, the area of Bangladesh became a province of Pakistan, initially known as East Bangla. At
Okay.
them, from 1955, as East Pakistan, the people of East Pakistan declared their independence as the nation Bangladesh on March 26, 1971, while fighting a savage war against the Central Pakistan government. The separation from Pakistan took place with extensive aid from India. On December 16, 1971, as a result of the Third Indo-Pakistan War, Bangladesh was soon recognized by most other nations, although Pakistan withheld diplomatic
Or
recognition.
Bangla.
United 1974 and China did not recognize this nation until 1976. Bangladesh was admitted to the United Nations in 1974. History of Borishal. The culture city of the region is the city of Borishal. It is one of the biggest river port in Bangladesh. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah,
Borishal
ma'am.
is the biggest river port.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm audible to you, ma'am. Please carry
Yes.
on.
It is a city with nearly 0.38 million people and a divisional headquarters, medical college, cadet college, some pharmaceutical industries, textile industries, and the Bangladesh Island Water Transport Authority's head office. Borishal is the fast growing city in the country stand on the Kirtankhola River. Borishal Kirtankhola River, sir, remember that. The city is sometimes called the Venice of East and the Venice of Bangla. Sir, Borishal is the rice producing center of Bangladesh. Balam, do you know, sir, Balam chal? Balam rice? Do you know?
Yeah.
Yes,
Basmati rice.
Yeah.
Basmati.
Basmati and
It's a
Balam.
Bala.
Yes,
Balam and
Balam.
basmati. Yeah.
Balam
Yeah.
it's a 80 rupees kilo, I think.
yes,
Balam in
yeah,
India.
yes,
It's a 80 rupee per kilo.
yes.
Yeah. I think it's a basmati rice. I think
Yeah.
a kind of a basmati rice.
Sir,
Okay.
Borishal is
Ah.
a rice producing center in Bangladesh. My town, sir, my town in Borishal. Balam,
It's
a
it's
kind
your
of
town.
basmati, is the most
Wow.
popular
Ah,
rice
ah.
in Borishal. It is also famous.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is also
It's aroma.
famous
It's
for
aroma.
better
It's
life.
it's a fragrance. It's aroma. It's fragrance while cooking. It's really delicious.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. A tropical South Asian swimming item, as Borishal is surrounded by river, so fish is available here. Division Borishal is the division. District Borishal district. Country Bangladesh. There are domestic airport in Borishal airport. Borishal
Nice,
airport is not an international airport. Only Bangladesh Biman and the Air Parabat use this port. Active routes are Borishal Dhaka and Borishal Chittagong. Country's first short landing and take off airport has been complete in Borishal and a private airlines named Air Bangla has begun its regular air flight between Dhaka Tezgao Airport and Borishal. Bus, sir, many buses company connect Borishal to other district, and one picture is Lance in river, Dhaka in my capital, and Borishal. This is picture, sir. Can you see, sir? Launch?
Yeah. What is that? That is bus.
No, sir.
No,
That is
This is launch.
it's
it's a ship.
Ship.
It's
Launch.
a
yeah,
longish
launch.
ship.
Local language. Borishal. Launch.
Yeah,
This is ship.
launch.
Mhm.
Yes.
Mm. It's a kind of ship.
Majority of the people of Borishal, 64% identity themselves as the Muslim. This is followed by those of Hindus, 8.38%, and Christians, 0.98%. There are about 300 3,941 mosques and 805 temples and 44 churches and others.
Five tombs.
Borishal is a rice producing center of Bangladesh. Balam and Basmati is the most popular rice in Borishal. It is also famous and in Asia.
Better live.
Yes, as a Borishal is surrounded by rivers and fish. There are available in fish. Dhan, local language, paddy. Do you know, sir?
Paddy.
Paddy. Dhan.
Yeah. It's a rice.
Nodi. That means river.
River.
Do you know Nodi? River.
Yeah, it's not a nadi. In Marathi we pronounce it nadi, nadi.
Yes.
We
How
pronounce it
can
nadi.
we? How Indian people can forget Modi? It's a Nadi and Modi.
Yes.
Oh.
And sir, canal. Canal that means local
Yeah.
language, Bangla language is khal. That
Khal.
means canal. Yes.
Canal. We call it
Canal.
khadi.
Yes. Okay, sir. That means Nadi, river, and canal. These three things makes Borishal.
Hmm.
Wow. Paddy, river, and canals. These three things. These three things make Borishal, sir.
Yeah. Nice.
Coconut is very common in there as it is a coastal area. Coconut is very, very famous. And sir, fish,
Nice.
medicine,
Mm.
global capsule industry, tobacco industry, and local manufacturing, food factory are available in here, and handicraft. If you, sir, you are coming in my town, I will visit it in our historical place and our visitors place in Patil sir, Rabbani sir. If you come, this is the
Yeah.
one mosque.
Inshallah.
Surely.
Bhutia Mosque. Bhutia Mosque.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
Bhutia.
Bhutia.
Mm.
Yes.
Nice.
Sir?
Excellent. Fantastic.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Another is night picture is too much lighting, and Bhutia Mosque is in night. They are so beautiful in night.
Yeah. Nice one.
If you come, sir, this is Durga Sagar. I will visit with you in Durga Sagar. It's a nice place. It's a historical place.
Oh.
Yes, sir. And another Jacob Tower. This tower is maybe 15 floor in around.
It's a skyscraper, ma'am.
Yes, round.
It's a skyscraper.
Sir, another picture is our cultural picture is Gava. Bengali naam
Yeah.
Gava. Peara.
Yeah, we
You
call
know
it a
Peara?
Peru.
Peru.
Yeah,
Jam,
Peru.
jam.
Jam, Peru. We call it Peru.
Hmm.
Yes.
Gaba. Yes, Gaba.
Java. Yes. There are is a garden here in Jalokati district. It's a floating market. Is
Hmm.
buying and selling is floating in
Hmm.
river, and
Hmm.
you see the picture in boat and is floating. That means Bhashman Bajar market.
Hmm.
Okay, okay.
This is another scenery is water lily. Um, in the month of Boishak, Bangla year. Uh,
Wow, wow,
Wow.
superb.
nice,
Excellent, fantastic.
nice, yes,
Mm.
nice,
Nice picture.
and nice.
I
Uh,
think it just looked like a Switzerland. Very nice.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
This is another in Borishal Kashipur near another picture in Jomidar Bari in landlord. This is visitors place in Borishal.
Zamindar Badi. हाँ,
Jomidar Bari. This is Bibir Pukur, Bibir Pond, Bibir. It's a historical pond,
historical place.
historical pond.
Wow, what is
If you
this?
come, this is the main town
Mm.
in Borishal. Main town.
Oh
Yeah.
my God! So you have water in the middle of the town.
Yes.
Wow, fantastic.
If you come, you will visit there, sir.
So little
Okay.
ship will be there for us to travel in this area.
Yes, sir. Always
Ships
I
are
will go.
ships are allowed. Ships, boats are
Boats
allowed.
are
Boats are allowed.
Yes, sir. Boats, sir. This is our church, Oxford Mission Church. Hello.
yeah. Yeah. We are online, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Rabbani sir in online.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, I am
Yes.
also watching.
Mm. Mm.
Nice picture.
Okay,
It's
sir.
in church
Bangladesh.
now. The
Yes,
church.
Bangladesh is a country of culture and ethnic diversity. Over the 54 people
And
speaking at least 35 languages, along with the majority Bengali population. Is a small ethnic group living in the different districts: Jodhpur, Dinajpur, Rangpur, Sylhet, Patuakhali, and Kuakata of Bangladesh. The total community size is 30,000. They speak their own community language. Our cultural festival is Bangla New Year.
Oh,
This is Lathi Khela. Second one picture. Can you see my cursor, sir?
yeah. That is a Lati Khela.
First one is a cultural in Bangla Nabanno Utsav in um, Nabanno Utsav in Bangla New Year, sir. Uh, this is when we grow first paddy, then village
Yeah.
women are cultural, making pitha, pizza, different.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
The same festival is celebrated in Kerala, the
Wow.
state of
Pongal.
India.
Yes.
Yeah, Pongal. We call it a Pongal.
Hmm.
Hello, ma'am.
Ji, sir.
Yes. That is a
Please carry
Karam
on.
festival. What is that? It's also celebrated in India in the state of Kerala. In
Kerala.
the south,
Yes.
Kerala.
Yes,
And
Kerala.
that Lati Khela is celebrated in Bihar and UP.
Yes, sir. Then one Lathi Khela. Lathi Khela.
Yeah, Lati Khela is celebrated
This
in
is
the state
our
of Bihar.
Bangla.
New Year festival.
Yes,
Ah,
Bangla New Year festival. Uh, Bangla New Year. Now we making some um, snake সাপ খেলা, স্নেক পেলে, সাপ খেলা, নবান্ন উৎসব, নতুন নিউ পেডি রাইস মেকিং পিঠা, পিঠা,
yeah.
Do you know, sir?
Nabanno
Ekam is
Utsav.
Yes.
yeah, that is that one. After grazing the field of rice, on that time they celebrated. They
Wow.
enjoy the new paddy.
Yes.
That is na, madam. Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
we call it a pongal. We call it a pongal.
Pongal.
Yeah,
Sap
but it is
khela.
not. Yeah, but it is not celebrated in Maharashtra. It's celebrated in Kerala.
Sir, Maharashtra, Kerala, Shap Khela.
Yeah,
No, no,
sap
no.
khela.
Yes.
सांप
Sap
सजा
khela.
सब जगह पे खेलता है.
Yeah, Sap khela. That is also a festival.
मदारी.
We call it
Hmm.
Nag Panchami.
नाग
Hello,
पंचमी in
ma'am.
India. Yeah.
Nag Panchami in India. There's a one of the
Tradition.
traditional feast. The lots of snakes come in that village, and they are playing with the village. But playing with the snakes, that is the ban in India nowadays.
This type of tradition has been
Ah,
banned.
yeah. To harm the animal. It's they started
Hmm.
no harm movement,
Hmm.
no harm
Hmm.
to animal movement. That it was started in India, so that's why
Hmm.
the Madari stop it.
Hmm. Hello, Shobnam.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Ma'am, you can continue now.
Please carry on.
My first session is yeah, here, and second one,
Quality education.
about quality education.
Yeah.
Where you didn't see you. That's after picture. Nabanno Utsav.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hmm. Thank you.
Our
Thank you.
quality education, first one, objective and targets and indicators. The goal ensured that the girl and the boys complete free primary and secondary schooling by 2013. It
Hmm.
also aims to provide equal access to affordable vocational training and
Hmm.
eliminate gender and wealth dis,
Hmm.
gender and wealth disparities with the aim and achieving universal access to a quality higher education. The target, the 17 Sustainable Development Goals are defined in the first of 169 SDGs target. Progress towards these targets is agreed to be tracked by 232 unique indicators. In Bangladesh, next ones are current status in Bangladesh. What is the Fundamental Act for the Education Act in my country? And explain in detail about background and current status of Act. Over the last, Bangladesh has made notable progress in expanding access to education. In a country of over 80 million primary school students, Bangladesh has achieved near universal net primary enrollment with approximately 98% of children of primary school age enrolling in school. Bangladesh has also achieved gender priority in access to education, and 50.9% of all enrolled students were girls in 2016. The foundation of the educational system in Bangladesh was laid down during the period of British rule. Education in Bangladesh is overseen by the country Ministry of Education. The Ministry of Primary and Mass Media is responsible for implementing policy for primary education and state founded school at the local level in Bangladesh. All citizens must undertake 12 years of compulsory education, which consists of 8 years at primary school level, 4 years at high school level. Primary and secondary education is funded by the state and free of charge in public schools. Bangladesh confirms fully to the UN's Education for All EFA objectives and the Millennium Development Goals MDG, as well as other education related international declarations. Article 17 of the Bangladesh Constitution provides that all children receive free and compulsory education. Our education system in Bangladesh. The main education system is divided into three levels. Primary levels classes 1 to 8, secondary levels 9 to 12, tertiary levels there is no middle school system in Bangladesh. Primary education. The overall responsibility of management of primary education lies with the Ministry of Primary and Mass Media, set up as a ministry in 1992, while MOPME is involved the formulation of politics. The responsibilities of implementation rests with the Director of Primary Education DPE, headed by the Director General. The Director of Primary Education DPE and subordinate officer in the district and upazila are solely responsible and management and supervisor of primary education. Their responsibilities include requirements, posting and transfer of teacher and other staff, arranging in service training of teacher, distribution of free textbooks and supervision of schools. The responsibility of school construction, repair and supply of school furniture lies there the DPE. So, the local government engineering department LGED, the national curriculum and the textbook board NCTB is responsible for the development of curriculum and production of textbook, while the Ministry of Education is responsible the formulation of politics. The direction of secondary and higher education under the Ministry of Education is responsible for implementation the same and secondary and higher education levels. The NCTB is responsible for developing curriculum and publish standard textbook. The primary education DPE is responsible from conducting the two public examination. First one primary education called PEC 5 grade and second one junior school certificate JSC 8 grade. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah. I am listening you, ma'am.
Yeah, your school is, sir, 5 grade and 8 grade are examination?
Sorry.
Okay, sir.
My school is
5 grade and 8 grade are have a board examination?
yeah.
That
My
means she
school
is
is
asking
conducted
about
board exam.
grade system.
Yeah,
That means
grade.
8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
We have secondary as well as higher secondary, HSC and SSC. SSC for 10th standard and HSC for 12th standard.
For 12th standard.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Secondary
I'm
level in education, 9 General Education Board. The board headquarters are located in Borishal, Kumilla, Chittagong, Dhaka, Dinajpur, Jashore, Moyinkhing, Rajshahi, Sylhet. 8 region-based board of intermediate and secondary education, sir.
Yeah.
8 board are public examination, SSC and
standard.
SSC. Yes, sir. Secondary school
They have a 10th
certificate
standard.
SSC 10 grade, sir. Higher secondary
Mhm.
school certificate SSC 12 grade. At the school
Oh.
level, in case of non-government secondary school management committee, sir. SMC, non-government school maintaining and management committee is called little name SMC, School Management Committee, and the international intermediate college level in the case non-government college government bodies GB sir, government bodies
Okay, okay.
formed as per government responsibility GB, every responsibility and resource, budget, enrolling, expenditure, everything, sir. Furniture,
Okay,
provide by GB.
okay, okay.
In government secondary school, there is not an SMC. The headmaster is solely responsible from running the school and the supervised by the deputy director as the respective zone. Parents teacher association PTAs, however, exist to ensure a better teaching and learning in environment.
Okay. The same thing is here also, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
Ah.
Sir, you were GOVT school or non-GOVT school?
Ma'am, it's a private school but run by government.
Oh yeah, yes sir. SMC,
Hmm.
School
Yeah,
Management
yeah,
Committee are managing
yeah,
your.
yeah, yeah.
Yes sir, thank you. Okay
Yeah,
sir, at the territory level, university are regulated by the University Grants Commission. The college providing
yeah,
tertiary education are under the National University. Each of the
yeah.
medical college is affiliated with a public university. University in
Mhm.
Bangladesh are around Bangladesh. The autonomous body is administered by academic council, sir,
Okay,
and etc. Then on the technical and vocational training, sir.
oh,
Technical and vocational education system provide.
yeah. In India, also vocational and technical training also provided.
Yes. Course related and various
Mm.
applied the practical areas of science, technology, and engineering, or focus on a specific specialized area. Course duration range from the 1 month or 4 years. The Technical Education Board control technical and vocational training in the secondary level and also 2 years SSC vocational in higher secondary level. The Directorate of Technical Education DTE is responsible from the planning, development and implementation of technical and vocational education in the country. Curriculum is implemented by BTEB in the technical education system. After obtain a diploma engineering degree, 4 years curriculum from the institute list below. Students can further, sir, who is writing skill, their education
Okay.
here obtain the bachelor and engineering
I'm
in
doing,
technology
I'm
university.
doing.
Yeah.
It take an additional 2.5 or 3 years of coursework to obtain bachelor degree. Although some students take more than 3 years to do so, they can enroll the postgraduate studies. Students can also study CA, Chartered Accounting, after passing SSC in bachelor degree and subject is fulfilling the entry criteria of the institute and the Chartered Accountant Bangladesh ICAB. Sir, also English medium school as mainly private school where All the courses are English, taught in English, except one Bengali language subject in ordinary level, O level. This school is Bangladesh. Follow the General Certificate of Examination (GCE) syllabus, where students are prepared for taking their ordinary level, O level, and advanced level, A level examination. The General
Okay.
Certificate of Education system is one of the most internationally recognized qualification based the United Kingdom. The ordinary and the advanced level examination are English to the secondary school certificate SSC and HSC higher secondary school certificate examination respectively. Sir, another education system is madrasa. System focus is
Yeah.
religion education, teaching
So
all the basic. Yes,
Madarsa also running in India also.
yes, religion education, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Religion,
Religious based education.
yes, yes, religious.
Ah,
Religious education study are taught Arabic, and students in some area also serve the
yeah, yeah.
local area. Madrasa students also have to complete all the courses from the general education system, sir. Many
Oh,
private
yeah, yeah.
licensed madrasa take the homeless children and provide them with food, shelter, and
Oh,
education.
yeah.
In the
I-
madrasa education system, there are two systems. One called Qaumi Madrasa system in privately owned and funded and the run according to the Deobandi system, and
Okay.
Islamic আমার স্যার বোধহয় কেটে গেছিল। Okay, Rabbani sir will join now. He is maybe disconnected, and
Okay.
another he will join. Okay, sir. The Madrasa Education Board covered religion education in non-government registered madrasa is the secondary level after passing alim. A student can enroll from the additional years to obtain a Fazil level. Students can go for further general education and earn a university degree after passing successfully Alim or Fazil. They can further enroll the another 2 years to obtain a Kamil level degree.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Sir, UNICEF runs many primary school center. Around 1,45,000 children are going UNICEF and government jointly maintenance primary school. Myanmar
Mm.
current government object to
Yeah.
the provide children in Bangladesh, including compulsory primary education for all, free education for girls up to grade 10,
Mhm.
stipend for female
Mm.
students, and nationwide integrated education system, and a food for education literacy government movement. A large section of the country nation budget is set aside a help put these programs into action and to promote education and make it more accessible. Recent years have seen this effort pay off, and the Bangladesh education system. It was only a few years ago when even national curriculum books from class 5 to 12 are distribution freely among all students and schools.
Mm.
Sir, Fundamental Act. Can you see,
The-
sir?
Yeah, yes. Act number 27
Yes,
of 1990.
1990 is an act made to provide from the obligation the primary education, sir. short title,
Okay.
the act may be
Hmm.
called Primary Education Act 1990.
Hmm.
Correct. This is another act. Sorry, it's a shortly I present here.
That is a nice presentation, ma'am.
No,
Yeah.
No, not shortly. It is very in detail.
Very detail.
Very detail.
In detail,
Very
yeah.
nice.
In very detail, you have to explain it.
sir,
You have to
act
explain it.
presently as a
Hmm.
fundamental right, the provision of free and compulsory education to children was
Hmm.
added by the Constitution 86th
Hmm.
Amendment Act 2002 and the Article 21 as in interest. Sir, this is
Oh yeah.
my presentation. uh,
Hmm.
Thank you, sir, for watching my presentation and
Yeah, that is
hear
excellent,
my
ma'am.
presentation.
Superb. Superb. Really
It's
very inspiring.
fabulous, fantastic, and
Yeah.
thought-provoking, and very in detail. Your preparation is very deep, ma'am. Really, but it doesn't matter the means and medium of communication. It doesn't matter, but your preparation is very good and to some extent. And again, you are a very good techno-savvy teacher, so we have to learn so many things from you. And
Thank you, sir.
being
Yeah.
that means you are thought provoking, you really give a detailed information about your Borishal district. Your place Borishal is famous for the rice basmati and all the locality, how detailed you have prepared for your region, and with showing PowerPoint presentation, it really that means adding sugar in the milk. Thanks a lot, thank you very
Yeah,
much,
yeah, yeah.
Thank
really
you.
enjoy your
Welcome.
session.
And all picture, yeah, and
Okay,
all the
sir.
picture are
Our
impressive.
seventh session, who is
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Okay, sir.
Tomorrow we will morning we can prepare
Tomorrow we
it.
will start in the evening 6.
Okay, sir. Same time, 7 o'clock my time,
Mhm.
and your 6 o'clock.
Okay, okay.
This
Well,
is
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
appropriate
yeah,
time.
yeah.
In the morning.